All right, guys. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of a science experiment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how functional the shaker hood actually is. So let's get into this.
Hey guys, have you ever wondered how functional the shaker hood actually is? Today I want to test that out. So what I have done is at the inlet portion of the Mopar intake, I put some cut up pieces of napkin or tissue as it enters into the airbox. And then what I did was I currently have a phone there to record with the hood shut what kind of action we get while I'm running a fan. So, all right guys, so it's just a small little house fan. Not nearly as much force as you get on the open road, but just kind of wanted to show you what I did to kind of demonstrate this.
All right, guys. So there you have it. The shaker hood does work. I'm sure Dodge wouldn't sell you a $2,500 performance package that didn't actually work. But a part of me is always going to want to test and always going to want to question whether things work or whether they don't. So hope you guys enjoyed the demonstration I put on to prove that it is fully functional. And I'll catch you guys here real soon on my next video. So thanks again. Appreciate you tuning in. And like, subscribe, and comment. Take care, guys.
All right guys, first 0 to 60.